Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to find Doordash promo codes. So all you want to do is on your search bar, just type in Doordash promo codes, and you want to open up websites, for example, Groupon. Okay, Groupon is very reliable. And sometimes you even find promo codes on the Doordash websites itself. So you can open those as well. So if you want to get them from Groupon, this one has $20 off $60 plus. You can come here and just click on a get deal, and it will give you the promo code from a Groupon. Okay, once you click on get deal, and now on the DoorDash website, guys, sometimes when you sign in, they will actually offer you promo codes, especially on the home page. Okay, usually they'll give you promo codes, but right now it seems that they have a few right here. For example, if you do this, call Sun 50. There's a Sukai gifts with purchase, and there are other codes like this. You can come and click on any one that actually, catches your eye, and then you can go ahead and use those promo codes on a DoorDash. There's 50% for students and other, codes like that as well. So they actually run a many promotions directly on, you know, DoorDash itself. You can come here and find out, and also you can come, of course, on Groupon, and you just enter in your email, and you can subscribe as well, and they will be sharing them with you occasionally. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.